Alright, quick message before starting this video. I would just like to say sorry, first of all, for the lackluster editing. I am both not a good editor, and I had to switch between 3 different editing softwares. And secondly, the original audio of the thing is pretty bad, so if there may be audio issues, it's because I had to record a voiceover for a large part of the video. So yeah, alright, enjoy the video. Alright, hello, welcome to the 6th demo of CarbonDF. Now this is probably the first operational build of CarbonDF. What that means is we support most of the things in DiamondFire, so you can go ahead and start building with it right now. In this demo I actually want to go over a couple of things, but I'll start off with full generation. Basically, full generation means everything is now fully generated based on the DiamondFire action dump. That includes actions, that includes blocks, everything is fully generated based on that. Almost everything. That also includes game values. Now, game values have their own syntax, which is target.value, and they allow you to basically access every game value that is in DiamondFire. That leads me on to target specifiers. They basically allow you to have DiamondFire targets on your actions, and they are very similar syntax-wise to game values. Then we also have instantiators. Now, instantiators are a way to create standalone values that can't really be made easily with text. They are very syntactically similar to functions, but they use angled brackets instead of the normal round ones. I have also added support for block tags, which are syntactically exactly the same as adding a dictionary at the end of an action call. The last thing I'll talk about in this demo is escape sequences. They basically allow you to add things like new lines or quote marks inside your strings. Alright, let me go over a bit what the code does. First of all, this is a fake function just for declaring variables for the entire file. For example, a name to UID or things like that. We use underscore, and this tells the transpiler to look at this function, to process it, but not transpile it. Then we have the join event, in which we call the initVars function, which just creates a new dictionary if it doesn't exist already. We have here, if the name to UID doesn't contain my UUID, or my name isn't in the UUID, it will set the dict value and send a message to me, to everyone and to me. Then we have if it already is in the dict and the value equals to the name of the UID, it will send me a welcome back message instead. And in any case, it will give me a single firework rocket. Then we have this player take damage event, which just cancels it, so people don't take damage. We have the right-click event, which checks if we are holding a firework rocket. It will cancel the event and then it will repeat 4 times, and each time it will launch me up 20 blocks and set my location at set the plock at the current location, set the pitch and the yaw to 90, and launch a projectile under me, an arrow under me, that faces down. As you can see, this is a message that shows escape sequences supported, and then we wait 10 ticks. I will now transpile and import everything into DiamondFire. Alright, as you can see, I have transported everything into all the template data into DiamondFire. As you can see, we have the join event, which looks exactly the same, name to UID, UID name, the static value, send message, yeah, everything is here. The right-click event, they take damage, and the init bars. If I join the plot now, as you can see, it says, welcome game and you first joined, and if I right-click, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, you have been launched, blah, blah, blah. And if I slash play, it remembers me and tells me welcome back. And if I do slash vars, as you can see, it successfully saved my UUID to the dictionary. Yeah, alright. Feel free to try out the Transpiler. It's freely available on GitHub. You can even contribute if you want. And yeah, see you next time.